Okay, so recently I've been having this problem with my PlayStation 3 in which I'm receiving no signal from it in my TV. I've tried it with another TV as well, and it just does not work. I have an HDMI cable running from the back of my PS3 into the side of my TV here in the HDMI 3 slot, and when I go to HDMI 3 input, it just pops up as no signal. I can eject discs, but the power button itself does not work. I can unplug it from the surge protector and turn on fine, but once again I'll restart the TV. It will come up as no video output or just no signal. Now, this is not a problem with the HDMI cord, as I said, because if I take it out of my PS3, and put it into the back of my PS4, it goes perfectly fine into that menu. So what I'm wondering is it like completely broken? Is there like a quick fix safe mode for this? That doesn't work. If anyone has had this problem or knows how to fix this problem, any feedback would be great.